The features you want may be available in Dazhou Cordless Electric Pressure Washer Lithium Battery Handheld Car Cleaning Device, Garden/Outdoor Cleaning Tool, Normal Battery. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Powerful 12 volts lithium battery powered all copper motor portable pressure washer. Lightweight and compact cordless water spray gun body with filtration 5 meters long garden hose enable to draw any fresh water source for effortless outdoor cleaning and maintenance. Deep double filtration of impurities in water, protection pump, prolong machine's service time. With perfect amount of pressure it is great for heavier, but routine, cleaning jobs, such as car washing, deck cleaning, degreaser or garden watering etc. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.